Now, as you can see over here, right, I have had $1,500 days. And if I go over here, if I click here, you can see weekly sales, right? $5,000 this week, 12,000 US dollars. Previous week. Now, I have multiple ClickBank accounts. Now, why I'm showing this? Because if you are using Google pay-per-click ads, or in this case, for example, if you're using TikTok ads, TikTok affiliate marketing, yes, it's still possible to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing as an affiliate, promoting weight loss supplements, promoting Nutra offers, digital products, right? It's all doable, but you do need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, by hand-holding you, so that it can allow you to start having this kind of results. As you can see over here, right? All you have to do is having someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way in 2026, so you can actually have these kind of results, as you can see over here on my screen, right? Daily results, passive income with ClickBank affiliate marketing, even if you're a beginner, and even if you have never had results, without making any kind of videos yourself or showing your face on camera, right? So it's all doable, but you need to have step-by-step system that can allow you, and it will allow you to have daily passive affiliate commissions as this, right? Unless you have at least, let's say, an hour to 30 minutes a day, you can do this, okay? So if you have 30 minutes a day, you can do this. Now, if you want to know exactly how to put it into action step by step, you can let me know. There's my Instagram, WhatsApp number, email, and Facebook Messenger in the description below.